Hey guys, welcome back to Archie Motors. Today I got a tire light on. I'm going to go through the steps to change it and to fix it. So when you have a tire light on, you can fix it yourself. So right now I have a screenshot of when my tire light was on, and I actually have in this car in the Camry it shows the PSI of every tire. Now the rest of the tires are about 26 PSI, which is low. It should be around 32. But one tire, the passenger rear, is at 12. And so I got it off, and I got some soapy water here, and we're going to go through and check the tire. First thing you want to do, when you got your soapy water, you got your tire off, you want to check the valve stem first. You also want to check to actually make sure that the tire pressure reading is correct. And I have checked it with the tire gauge, and this one is actually about 12, and the rest of them are about 25, 26. And so it's reading correct, because a lot of the cases when you have these tire pressure monitoring systems, the sensor will actually be reading wrong, but it is actually it's correct right now. So let's go ahead and check with our soapy water. And you're looking for big bubbles to be coming out. See any big bubbles? So let's check the tire. You kind of go through here. You're looking for big spouts of bubbles. And I don't have a compressor gauge. There's a staple. I don't have an air compressor gauge to actually air it up. You should probably, it's a good idea to air it up more. So you just take your soap, and there's a little bit so you can see. See it?
Yeah, a little bit.
You see that?
Yeah.
See, it's airing up. So there's one right there. I had another one. Well, I don't see it. Looks like it's just this one. I know it's a really slow leak because I put it in and it'll hold 32 and then it'll slowly drop after a couple weeks. Or several days it'll drop. So anyway, it looks like I just got one. You can barely see it.
Yeah, it's kind of bubbling up.
Okay, yeah. That's the main thing right there. Now, when you're repairing a tire, if it is between here and here, in this area, you can repair it. You're golden. If it is between here and all the way down, this is structural integrity of the tire. This is where all the metal bands and the stiff rubber is. You can't repair that. You're going to have to replace the entire tire. The entire tire. You're going to have to replace the entire tire.
Still kind of bubbling up. It's still kind of bubbling up. Yeah, a little bubbly.
Get a pair of dikes here. Angular cutter.
Oh!
Oh, could you hear that? I think it came in sideways.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at that sucker.
Oh my gosh.
Holy moly.
Oh my gosh.
See, now you can see it. If you had a bad leak, that's what look like. Oh!
Ah.
It's a gusher. And that'll go completely fat. Fat?
It'll go completely fat.
That will go completely fat. Holy cow, look at that sucker.
Whoa.
Let me plug it back up. Be quiet. You just be quiet there. You just be quiet.
Wow, it's like broken at the top.
Yeah, it was probably a whole nail, and then when I ran over it, it sheared it off.
That's crazy.
Come on, this one too. Even though this wasn't leaking.
Probably just a rock or something.
This might be a...
Oh!
Whoa!
Ooh.
I got a big screw in that one. But that one didn't puncture, I don't think.
I don't think it is either.
Yeah, that one's good. It just touched the hole. I mean, it didn't make a hole.
That one is long.
Oh!
That one's big.
I know it. Alright guys, I picked up this repair kit from Walmart. I picked up this tire repair kit from Walmart. And it's only $5 and they have a $3 one, but I like this one because it has the big handles. But anyway, let's go check it out and see how it works. Alright guys, I got my gloves on, you know how it is. Alright, in the kit it comes with 2 T-handles, which I like these because you can get a good grip on them. But this one is to clean the actual tire so you can get the plug in. It comes with about 8 plugs. And this is the one that puts the plug in. And then also comes with rubber cement. With the spiral to clean it up. Holy moly.
Holy moly.
Holy. Get in there, buddy.
It's not getting any better.
The rust and the nail.
Yeah, like what is it? It's like red.
This is rust from that nail.
Oh.
There we go. You gotta work it, dude. You gotta work it, bro. It's gotta be big enough so that you can fit the plug. They're super sticky. Rubber cement on it. First.
Your gloves are sticking together. Oh.
Good thing I got gloves on. The rest don't matter. I should have put. I should have pushed it through first.
Yeah, it's gonna stick to that thing.
There we go. So there's a little slot here. I don't know if you can see it, but it'll allow me to push it in, but it'll pop it out once I go in. There we go. Oh, went too far. And then
Whoa.
rip it out, and that should do it. That actually went all the way in there. Alright, now we'll take a blade and cut this off. Alright guys, we'll put that in there. It should seal. We'll put some air in it, and then we'll put it back on the car, and then we'll check it, see if it actually is holding air. Hey guys, what's up? We're back from the gas station, and we filled up all the tires. I put a little extra in. They all got about 33, 34 now, but so I got the plug in, and let's see if it's still leaking. We'll put a little soap on it, check, make sure. You're good to go. I don't see any leaks right away. It's holding. Excellent. Let's put the tire on. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. If you like this button, and remember, if it's between this button, I like this button.
I really love this button.
It's a button on your sweater. I really like this button.
If you would like this button with me.
I like this button, and if you like this button too, hit that like button. I don't know what that's going on. What's happening? Hey, it only costs $5 for the fire. It only costs $5 for the tire repair kit.